Hello friends, in this tutorial, how do you transfer your WhatsApp data? Your chats and media you can transfer from one device to another device. You can transfer from Android to iPhone. You can transfer from iPhone to Android. You can transfer from iPhone to iPhone. You can even transfer from Android to Android. So you can transfer your WhatsApp chats and media from one device to another device in an easy way. I'll be showing you demo on an Android to Android, 4 different easy way. You can follow the same steps, same guide even to transfer your WhatsApp chats and media from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, even iPhone to iPhone. So guys, let's begin with the very first easy way. As you can see, here I have a contact and I got few chats and media over here. So what I'm gonna do is just tap this 3 dash line on the top, and then you're gonna click on more. You can see over here it's a more. You just click on more, and then you're gonna click on export chat. You're gonna click on include media if you want to export chats and media both. Now guys, here I have lots of options to choose. Out of these different options, I'll be choosing the easy way first. It's a WhatsApp itself. Okay guys, now you're gonna choose a contact if you have a connection in between the device. So I'm just going to transfer our data. Click on go. Now you're just going to click a tap on this for go, and all the data will be transferred to another device. You can see I'm receiving all the chats and everything. Now you can see guys, here I have all the chats and media into my another device. Here it is, all this media, but chats you will be receiving in a text file form. So in order to view the chats, you just have to tap that text file and you'll have a lots of options to choose. You're going to choose browser or some other. So I'll be choosing browser, and all the chats will be in a browser along with the dates. So in this way you can view your conversation. Your chats you can transfer into another device and you can view all the chats. Second easy way, you're going to select the chat, and then after tap 3 dash line, click on more, and then click on export chat, include media, and then you have lots of options. Now the second easy way is the email. You're gonna choose Gmail. Okay guys, now you can see here is all the chats. Now you'll be transferring through email. Now you have to enter the email address of another device. Once you have entered the email address of another device, just click on go to send email. Now go to Gmail onto your another device, and you can see on the top here is the WhatsApp chat messages. So you have all the stuff over here along with the media. Now you can download and view the media. Just tap it. You're going to choose browser, or you can choose any text file editor, and here you got all the chats. In the same way you can download other images and videos. Third easy way, tap the 3 dash line, go to settings. Inside settings you're gonna see chats over there. Click on chats. Inside chats you're gonna see chat backup. So you just have to click on chat backup. Here you have on the top backup. Before you take a backup, make sure your include videos is turned on. If it is turned off, you just turn on. Otherwise your video files will not be included in a backup. Now you're gonna have to add your Google account where you want to take a backup. So if you do not add your backup will not be done into your Google account. So you cannot transfer into your another device logging in with your Google account. Now just select your Google account. So just tap it. Once you tap, you're going to select your Google account. If you have a multiple, it's going to ask you for the authentication. Click on allow. Now you can see over here, @ it's a Google account added. Now what you guys going to do? You just have to click on backup. Now your backup is done into your Google account. Now guys, you have to uninstall the WhatsApp. So uninstall it. Click on OK to uninstall and log in your device with the same Gmail account where you have taken the backup. Now install the WhatsApp again. So once you have logged in your new device with the same Gmail account where you have taken a backup, now you have to install the WhatsApp again. Set up your WhatsApp and it can ask you whether you want to restore a backup that you have taken to your Google account. So give a permission to restore. So it's going to ask you to select account from where you would like to restore a backup. So if you have logged in your device with a multiple number of account, so select the correct account and click on OK. If you have a multiple number of account, you have to select a correct account where you have taken the backup, or you can just add a new Gmail account. And ask you for the permission, click on allow. In this way, you can restore a backup. The another easy way is third-party software. Connect your both device to your PC via a USB cable. Allow access to phone data. If any pop-up message appears, click on allow. You make sure your EMTP, the file transfer, is selected. Here is the Android USB system. You'll see it in a drop down. Make sure a file transfer is selected. Okay guys, here's the software. It's iCare Phone WhatsApp Transfer. It's a third-party software. As soon as you launch this software, as soon as you install and open this software, your both the devices detected. You can see both Samsung devices. So I have two devices, Samsung, and another device is also mine. Another device is also Samsung. Once your both the devices detected, click on transfer and it will advise you. So we have already selected USB to transfer in both the devices. You can see it's a MTP and here it is a transfer file. So both the devices already selected to transfer file. Now we have to enable the USB debugging. So in order to enable USB debugging, you're gonna see inside setting somewhere developer option. If you do not see the developer option, you can see it's a developer option. If you do not see the developer option, so you have to get inside about phone. So inside about phone, you'll find build number. So you have to tap the build number for a 7 times, and you can see here's the developer option enabled. Now you have to get inside the developer option and enable the USB debugging. You can see USB debugging is enabled. For another phone also, you just have to enable the USB debugging. So you can see USB debugging is enabled for both the devices. As soon as you enable it, you're going to see this message. You read it and click on yes according to your will. Now you can see the data is transferring. So you can see it is taking a backup of a source data, and then after it will transfer. So for enabling the USB debugging and developer option, you don't have to worry. It's a guide in the software itself for a different device where you have to go to enable. You're gonna go to get the step-by-step guide. So just give a moment and your data will be transferred. Okay guys, you can see transfer successful. Once you are done, for your security, disable the USB debugging now, and even disable the developer option. You can enable whenever it is required. Now go to Play Store and install the app. In order to restore a backup, you have to transfer even a SIM card from this device to this device. Your new device where you have made a transfer of a WhatsApp. Now you log in WhatsApp with a new phone number, so one that was in the previous device. As soon as you log in, you will see the backup found. Now what are you guys gonna do? Whether you want to restore, definitely we used a third-party software to restore. So click on restore and you can see it's restoring. Now click on next. Now you can see here all the backups as it is, all the messages as it is. So in this way you can make a backup. I was just showing you a demo with the one contact. You are making a backup with the third-party software. It doesn't matter even if you have hundreds of contacts, all the details, all the messages, all the media will be transferred at once. So this is the procedure, this is the way. If you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.